Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a quick payment, but traditional methods just weren't cutting it? Maybe you were at a bustling market, a remote location, or simply wanted a more convenient way to transact. That's where Neon Pay comes in. Neon Pay is a revolutionary mobile payment solution designed to simplify your life. It's a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive money effortlessly. Whether you're making a purchase, paying bills, or sending funds to friends and family, Neon Pay has you covered. Key features of Neon Pay. Easy registration. Getting started with Neon Pay is a breeze. Simply download the app, provide a few basic details, and you're ready to go. Multiple payment methods. Neon Pay supports a variety of payment options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and mobile money. This flexibility ensures that you can use the method that best suits your needs. QR code scanning. Say goodbye to fumbling for cash or cards. With Neon Pay, you can simply scan a QR code to make payments instantly. This feature is especially convenient for restaurants, stores, and other businesses. Peer-to-peer transfers. Sending money to friends and family has never been easier. Just enter their phone number or scan their QR code, and the funds will be transferred in a matter of seconds. Bill payments. Neon Pay allows you to pay your bills directly from your app. You can schedule recurring payments or make one-time payments for utilities, subscriptions, and more. Mobile money integration. If you're already using mobile money services, Neon Pay seamlessly integrates with them. You can easily transfer funds between your mobile money wallet and your Neon Pay account. Benefits of using Neon Pay. Convenience. Neon Pay eliminates the need to carry cash or cards, making your transactions quick and easy. Security. Your funds are protected by advanced security measures, ensuring that your information is safe. Accessibility. Neon Pay is available on both iOS and Android devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Time saving. With Neon Pay, you can avoid long queues at banks or payment counters. Flexibility. Neon Pay offers a variety of features to suit your payment needs, whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or simply looking for a more convenient way to manage your finances. Neon Pay in action. To give you a better understanding of how Neon Pay works, let's take a look at a real-life scenario. Imagine you're at a local market and want to purchase some fresh produce. Instead of digging through your wallet for cash, you simply open the Neon Pay app, scan the QR code displayed by the vendor, and confirm the payment. It's that simple. Neon Pay is more than just a payment app, it's a lifestyle solution that can simplify your daily life. With its convenient features, secure transactions, and wide range of benefits, Neon Pay is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a modern and efficient way to manage their finances. Ready to experience the future of payments? Download Neon Pay today and start enjoying the benefits of a cashless lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.